Yeah, children, yesterday I was studying about the calorific value. So, calorific value, video 2, children. Yesterday I have discussed the basics, and in the description I have given some questions also. Try to answer those questions, children. In the description link I have given, try to answer today. And calorific value, what is the calorific value? Yesterday I told it is amount of heat energy liberated by 1 gram of substance. So, calorific value formula is heat by mass. Heat by mass. Okay, children. So suppose if so units are joules per kg. Units is joule per kg. Or no, sir, I want calories means calories per gram also. You can say calories per gram also. And I also said 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. I told. Yes, children, I told all these things. Children, 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. Okay, children. So now, like this becomes like this question will come, children. Convert. Yes, children, convert. Okay, 8.4 joules to calories. Yesterday I told you, again I'm saying. So 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules, no children? So 8.4 joules is equal to how many calories? Go for cross multiplication. 1 into 8.4 is equal to 4.2 into x. This will go down. X is equal to 8.4 by 4.2. X is equal to 2 calories. Like this you can do, children. Okay, I'll give some questions based on this, children. See that. Okay, conversions will be very easy. Try to do, and I will ask one and each and everyone. Okay, I'll be doing first you do, children, then I'll ask. First you do all of you. Okay, convert. Of course, same question. Convert joules to calories. Convert joules to calories, children. Please see here. Question. All questions are same, children. Convert joules to calories. First one, 2.1 joules. Second one, please, no, no talking. 12.6 joules. Third one is 11.5 joules. Fourth one is 840 joules. Fifth one is 126 joules. Sixth one is 1260 joules. Convert all of them into calories. Same procedure. Same procedure. Try to do on your own. Same procedure. Convert joules to calories. 1 calorie is for 4 points. Same procedure you follow. Those who didn't understand this sum, one more I will say, try to do it. How do you do, children? Same. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. 2.1 joule is equal to this actually. How many calories? Okay. So cross multiplication. 1 into 2.2 is equal to 4.2 into x. This goes down. X is equal to 2.1 by 4.2. 1 by 2. 0.5 calories. 0.5 calories. Come on, children. You have to do on your own all these things. All the sums you have to do on your own. I hope everyone are doing, children. Fast, children. Yes. Hansika, can you say how to do 12.6 joules? Hansika, can you say how to do 12.6 joules?
Sir,
Yes.
12 1 calorie is equals to 4.2
How many calories is
x
equal to 12.6 joules?
12.6 joule.
How many calories? Now tell me cross multiplication.
Uh, for
1 into
12
1 into 12.6 is equal to
1 into 12.6 is equals to x into 4.2.
x is equal to 12.6 by 4.2. X is equal
4.2.
so 3 calories. Answer is 3 calories. Okay, so Jill, can you say 11.5 joules how to do?
Yes, sir.
Sujit, yes, tell.
1 cal is equal to 4.2 joules. X
11.6 joules is equal to
11.6 joule is equal to x.
how many x? Tell cross multiplication.
1 into 11.6 is equal to x into 4.2. X is equal to
Okay. Hmm. How much? So point will go 116 by 42. 2 5s are 2 8s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So that's all. Leave it like that only. 58 by 21 calories. 58 by 21 calories. Okay. Satvik, can you tell 840? Satvik, 840.
Yes, sir.
1 calorie is called 8.4 joules. Sorry, 1 calorie is called 4.2 joules. Say Anna.
Xcal is equals to 884 840 joules, sir.
Cross multiplication.
Cross multiplication 1 into 840 is equals to 4.2 into sir, x is equals to 840 by 4.2.
Okay. Remove this point.
Sir, 840 by 442, sir. 200 calories.
200 calories. Okay. Next. 126. Who will tell 126 children? Anyone?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell.
Sir, 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joule,
Okay.
and X is equal to 126 joule.
Okay. Tell me cross multiplication.
Sir, 1 into 126 equals to X into 4.2.
Okay. Tell x is equal to. If you remove point children, up 0 will come. So 42. 42 3s are. So answer is 30
30.
calories.
Yeah.
Yeah, children, like this you should do children. So remaining some also like this. Okay. So continuation of calorific value children. I hope everyone of course try to do last one on your own children. Please do fast. This time children. Come on, copy fast. Tell me 10 seconds time.
Should I say the last one?
No problem. Yeah, last. I will want to say something about calorific value more. Yeah, children. So coming to calorific value, yesterday I was discussing children. I was discussing an important topic. So I was discussing like this, children. Suppose methane is there. Suppose ethane is there. Which will have more calorific value? I was telling you yesterday. So whichever has more hydrogen percentage, that will be more calorific value. Whichever has more hydrogen percentage. Carbon is 12 children. Hydrogen is 1 for the 4. So 16 grams is methane. In the same way, carbon is 12. 12 to is 24. Hydrogen is 1. 1 into 6 is 6. 30 grams is ethane. Okay. So children, 16 grams has 4 grams of hydrogen. 16 grams has 4 grams of hydrogen. 100 grams has how much hydrogen? In the same way, 30 grams has 6 grams hydrogen. 100 grams have how much hydrogen? Percentages I'm calculating. That's why 100. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 100 into 4 is equal to 16 into x. 16 will go down. X is equal to 100 into 4 by 16. 4 4s are 425. So answer 25% hydrogen is there here, children, in methane. And here, children, cross multiplication. 30 into x is equal to 100 into 16. 30 comes down, children. X is equal to 100 into 16 by 16 or 6, actually 6. 30. So 6 5 are 5, 20%. So try to understand, children. Methane has 25% hydrogen. Ethane has 20% hydrogen. So can anyone say which is a better fuel now?
Methane, sir.
Methane is better fuel.
Methane.
Why methane is better fuel? Whichever has more hydrogen, that is good fuel. That is good fuel, and it has more calorific value. It has more calorific value. Whichever has more hydrogen, that is having more calorific value. Whichever has more hydrogen, that is having more calorific value. Okay, children, whichever has more hydrogen, that will have more calorific value. I hope you understood this. If you didn't understand, again I'm saying carbon atomic number is mass is 12 children, hydrogen is 1. Okay, hydrogen is 1. Now listen here, children. Now listen here. I will make you small exercise, children. Here, small exercise. This is methane. This is ethane. This is butane. This is pentane. This is butane. This is pentane. This is hexane. This is heptane. Okay. This is octane, children. This is nonane. This is decane, children. This is decane. Okay. Now, Vedant, can you tell me what is the molecular form, molecular weight of propane? C3H8.
8 hydrogen, so there will be 8 plus.
So hydrogen is 1 into 8, 8 plus carbon is 12.
8
12
plus
threes,
carbon is 12.
12 threes are 36. So it is 44. Okay,
36. Sir.
44. Harsha, can you tell butane weight, Harsha?
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen
Sir,
10.
C4, huh?
C4. 12 fours are
Sir, 48, sir. 48 plus, sir?
plus 1 tens are
Sir, 10, sir.
so 58.
48 plus 58, sir.
Nandika, C5H12. Anu,
Sir.
Nandika, tell. 12 5s are
Sir, yes, sir. 12 5s are 60.
60.
1 12s are
12.
so answer how much?
62.
72. Okay, next.
Sorry, sir.
Rishikesh, C6H14 weight. 12 6 are 72. 1 14s are 14 86. Okay, mute your audio. Pravalika, C7H16 weight.
Yes, sir.
12 7s are
84.
okay. 1 16s
4
are
plus 16.
100. Next, Ashrit, C8H18 weight. Ashrit,
Yes, sir. Then 96
96 plus 8,
plus 18.
18 on the 18. So how much? 1. Next, Kushal, C9H20 weight.
Yes, sir. 108
108 plus
20
20. How much?
120
120. Mayashri, weight.
12 into 10, 120
120 plus
plus 22,
how much?
142.
142. Okay, children. Now, now please see here. Now see here. Now you will understand this side because what I'm doing, you people didn't understand. Just you are seeing all of it. Now, children, C3H8, C4H10, which is having more calorific value. Means what you will do? You will find out hydrogen percentage. In each one, we should find out hydrogen percentage. First one, Vedant will say. Vedant, in this both one, hydrogen percentages you have to find out. Tell me how to find out hydrogen percentage here.
Sir, the total weight is 44.
44 has 8 grams
44 has
of
8 grams of hydrogen. So
100
100
grams?
will have x grams. So
Okay.
x into 44 is equal to 8 into 100.
Okay.
So
Okay.
x is equal to 8 into 100 by 44.
Okay. 4 to the 4. Okay. How
200
much?
by 11, which is 1.8%.
Okay. Mute your audio.
C4H10.
Mute your audio. Mute your audio. So children, actually there is some disturbance in this audio. That's why I'm asking to mute it. 11 children. 19, 11, 8 are 88. And then 18.1% is there. Okay. Harsha, can you tell me how much percentage of hydrogen is there in butane? Harsha.
Yes, sir.
Tell
Sir,
me.
48 plus 10, sir.
58 is equal
Sir,
to
58, sir.
58 has
Sir,
how much
58,
percent?
10, sir.
10 grams of
Sir,
hydrogen.
58, 10,
100 grams
100,
has
100 is 100 grams x, sir. Sir, 58 into x is equal to 100 into 10, sir.
okay. So x is
X
equal
is
to
equal to 100 into 10 by 58, sir.
how much it will be? 2 5 is 229 is. So approximately 500 by 29. Someone see in the calculator and tell me percentage.
Sir, 17.5.
Thank you, Nana. Thank you so much. So
20.1%.
propane has more caloric value because it has more hydrogen percentage. Children, everyone understood how to find percentage. Those who did not understand, one more will do, children. After that, the remaining you do, children. Okay. One more I'm showing, children. I will show now pentane and hexane. Pentane and hexane, which has more hydrogen percentage, we will see, children. Okay, Hansika, C5H12. How to find out percentage? Hansika.
Sir,
72 has how much?
72
Has
12.
Okay, 100 has how much?
It has x.
How much? So
72 into x is equals to 100. 12 into 100. X is equals to 100 into 12 by 72. X is equals to 100 by 6.
16.6 percentage, I think. 16.67 percentage. Okay, na? Okay, children. Now,
Sir, can I say that?
who will say this one? Who will say?
Sir, Nandika.
No, Nana. I gave you a chance. Wait, Nana. Kushal, tell me C6H14. 86.
Yes, sir.
86
Eight-
grams of hexane has
14 grams, sir.
of hydrogen. 100 grams of hexane has how much? Further on.
Eight-
Yeah. Cross multiplication.
86 into x is equals to 14.
Bring down.
X is equals to 100 into 14 by 86.
So x is equal to 243. Someone please say 700 by 43 percentage and the
So 16.2.
16.2. Okay, 16.2. So Satvik,
Yes, sir.
among pentane and hexane, which has more calorific value?
Sir,
Which has more calorific value?
C5H12, sir.
Yeah, more calorific. Why more calorific value? Because it has
More hydrogen, sir.
percentage. More hydrogen percentage. Children, I think I am going to convince you people, children. I am thinking like that. Okay. Anyway, last one I will do, children, for your convenience sake. For your convenience sake, I will do one more, children, so that you should never face any problem, children, like this. Okay. C7H16 heptane, C8H18 heptane. Okay. Raghuram, C7H16 percentage, hydrogen percentage.
Sir. Sir, 60,
100 grams of
100
heptane
grams
has
is
16
16
grams of
grams
hydrogen.
of hydrogen.
Means what? It is 16% only.
Yes, sir.
Because directly 100 grams it has 16 grams, so 16%. Over. Tell me octane. You only tell octane.
Sir, 100 grams of.
Hey, octane.
Oh, sir, 114 grams of.
Octane has 18 grams of hydrogen.
18 grams of hydrogen.
100
And
has how much?
100. How much x? Sir, 18 by 100. 18 by 114 into 100, sir.
Okay. Tell me how much? 1800 by 114. Can anyone tell me the calculator? 1800 by 114 how much?
Sir, 15.7.
3.7%. Very good. Sujit. Among heptane and octane,
Sir.
which has more calorific value?
C8H18.
Right, that fellow. C and tell. C7H16.
Sir, C7H, sir, C7H16, sir.
Why?
Sir, because it has more hydrogen.
Yeah, very good. More hydrogen percent. It has more calorific value. It has more calorific value because it has more hydrogen percentage. On which has more hydrogen percentage, that will have more calorific value. Children, are you people convinced with this explanation? Yes, Vedant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm understanding, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, mute your audio. Something is you're selling, I don't know. Okay, children. Now, children, in this only last one topic is there in calorific value. Okay? In calorific value. Now, children, someone will ask you like this. This is methanol. This is methanoic acid. This is methanol and this is methanoic acid. Which has more calorific value? Children, you have to find out. Children, see oxygen percentage and hydrogen percentage. Okay, here hydrogen. 1 second, children. 1 second. 1 second, children. Suppose methane is there and methanol is there. Methane is there and methanol is there. Okay, which is better fuel? They'll ask. But then normally hydrogens, this is N for hydrogen, this is N for hydrogen is good. But here oxygen is also there, children. Oxygen. Okay. Wherever oxygen is there calorific value will decrease, children. Wherever oxygen is there, their calorific value decrease, children, because it's a good supporter of combustion. So calorific value will decrease, children, wherever oxygen is there. So this will have more calorific value and this will have oxygen is present, calorific value decreases. And hydrogen percentage only will play a vital role in deciding. Okay, children. So this is methane, this is methanol, this is methanol, children. This is methanol. Okay, hydrogen percentage, if you see, no problem. But here oxygen is also there. Oxygen decreases its calorific value. Because of oxygen, it decreases its calorific value. You should know that. Children. You should know that. Okay. So if hydrogen is there, it increases. If oxygen is there, it decreases. If hydrogen is there, it increases. If oxygen is there, it decreases the calorific value because combustion increases and the amount of energy liberated will decrease. Combustion increases, but amount of energy liberated will decrease. More hydrogen, more is the calorific value. Among all fuel children on the earth, hydrogen is the best fuel. In the future, in the nearby future, hydrogen will be used as fuel. Today, we are not able to use hydrogen as a fuel because it has highly exothermic children. Highly exothermic children, and that much combustion and that much heat. Now at position we can't control children. Ah, sir, in spaceships they are controlling. No, spaceships are different children. They go at higher speeds. We can control, but spaceship fast. You can't put in your bike and car and you can't go on the roads, no children. That much fast you can't. Okay, so in spaceships they are using hydrogen as fuel. What is the advantage of hydrogen using fuel, children? The polluted will be water, children, because hydrogen on combustion liberates water. And this is the end of calorific value, children. Maximum I told about calorific value, and in the next class we'll discuss about the combustion, children. This is about calorific value in detail. Okay, first video, second video, you see, children, you will understand everything, and all the sums also I'm putting in the link description.